Welcome to Skiller. Boost your Azure VM skills with MCQs on creation, encryption, zones, disks, and scale sets. Question 1. What is the first step in deploying a VM in Azure via the portal? The correct answer is define the resource group and region. When creating a VM, you begin by selecting a resource group and region, which define the VM's location and scope. Question 2. Which feature encrypts the OS and data disks of a VM at rest using keys? The correct answer is Azure Disk Encryption. As Azure Disk Encryption, ADE, uses BitLocker for Windows or dmcrypt for Linux and integrates with Azure Key Vault. Question 3. To move a VM to another region, what method must you use? The correct answer is use Azure Backup and Restore or create a new VM from a snapshot. You can't move VMs across regions directly, you need to recreate it using images, snapshots, or backup restore. Question 4. What tool allows resizing a VM to another size family? The correct answer is Azure Portal or Azure CLI. You can resize a VM through the Azure Portal, Azure CLI, or PowerShell if the target size is available on the host. Question 5. What does changing a VM's size affect? The correct answer is CPU, memory, and possibly supported features. As VM size determines vCPU, RAM, max IOPS, and features like premium storage or accelerated networking. Question 6. Which disk type is recommended for high-performance production workloads? The correct answer is Premium SSD. Where premium SSDs offer low latency and high IOPS, ideal for performance-intensive workloads like databases. Question 7. What's the key difference between availability sets and availability zones? The correct answer is availability zones provide higher redundancy across data centers. As availability zones span multiple data centers, providing higher SLA and physical separation than availability sets. Question 8. What does an availability set protect against? The correct answer is hardware and host failures within a data center. As availability sets distribute VMs across fault and update domains to reduce impact from hardware or update issues. Question 9. What's the purpose of an Azure Virtual Machine Scale Set, VMSS? The correct answer is automatically scaling and managing identical VMs. A VMSS automatically scales up/down multiple identical VMs and balances traffic across them. Question 10. Which feature must be enabled to deploy VMSS across multiple availability zones? The correct answer is zone-aware deployment. Where zone-aware deployment ensures that VMSS instances are distributed across multiple zones for high availability. Like, subscribe, and share to keep learning with Skiller.